I am here to share with you a little bit about what we do in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade Project Lead the Way. So Project Lead the Way is a pre-engineering program, and in 6th grade we start out with an introduction to engineering, and we talk a lot about design and modeling and how engineers use the design process to solve problems and create innovative ideas or products. The students work with a program called Autodesk Inventor, which is a professional 3D modeling program, and it's to build rapid prototypes of designs before an engineer puts a design into production and then wastes a lot of resources with something that doesn't work right. So the students learn these bigger concepts, and they're able to use the 3D modeling program to first go through a series of tutorials and direct instruction with me, but then they're released to investigate the program on their own, and they create their own original designs that they are able to print on the 3D printer, which they're really excited about.
Hello, my name is Adriana, and I'm in the class Project Lead the Way. What we do in Project Lead the Way is we learn about different engineers and their different careers. Right now, we're learning about how to draw like an engineer and the different sides of a shape.
Hi, I'm Roxanne, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the 3D printer. It prints a lot of things that you create on the computer. I help a lot of people with it. I learned to do it in like the first couple of weeks of 6th grade. I have Ms. Gambino as a homeroom teacher, so I print like every day in the morning, and I help a lot of people, including high schoolers.
In 7th grade Project Lead the Way, students learn about all different types of alternative energy, and they create a website based on a research project that they do about one specific type of energy. They then create a model or a prototype to show and explain how that type of energy gets converted to electricity in technical terms.
Hi, I'm Maggie.
I'm Alyssa.
And right now we're working in Project Lead the Way for 7th grade, and we're working on this really cool and super fun project about alternative energy. And we chose geothermal energy, and we're making our own model, and you get to work with your friends.
Students then use their research about alternative energy to create a video game about alternative energy in which they use computational thinking and learn the basics of computer programming, which is then easily transferred to 8th grade when they work with the VEX kits for robotics.
Programming was really fun. So we were supposed to do a game on hydroelectric power because that's what we learned in 7th grade. When we were doing this, it took a long time, but when you finish, it feels really, you feel accomplished, and it's like you work so hard on it.
Students in 8th grade learn about robotics and automation, and they use the VEX robotics kits to first build mechanisms, and then they build a VEX test bed in which they can test out the different sensors to get used to the programming and learn what the different sensors do and what their value ranges could be. And then they are released to build one of 10 projects, so they have a lot of student choice and a lot of collaboration with robotics and automation, and it's amazing to see some of the projects that the students build and design themselves.
So, technology at Shepaug is fun. We get to study electrical, mechanical, and computer engineering. We built this to test out the 4 sensors that VEX has to offer. It's fun.
We're using a program called Robot C to program robots, and we're going to work on a project that allows us to take real-world problems and make a robot to solve that problem.
The Project Lead the Way classes also afford the students the opportunity to experience and taste what the classes might be like in the upper grade levels, and then they're able to enroll in classes that they're really passionate about.